Welcome to the Portfolia Robo-advisor for Investing Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Portfolia is a unique robo-advisor designed for investors looking to align their portfolios with their personal values and interests. Unlike traditional robo-advisors, Portfolia focuses on venture investments, offering curated funds that allow individuals to invest in startups and growth stage companies across various sectors, such as healthcare, sustainability, food, and technology. It's particularly appealing to those who want to make a direct impact while building wealth. Portfolia stands out by targeting investors who are passionate about innovation and want to support early-stage companies. With a minimum investment requirement starting at $10,000, it's best suited for accredited investors or those comfortable with higher-risk, long-term opportunities. Instead of the typical ETF-based portfolios offered by most robo-advisors, Portfolia provides access to venture funds managed by experienced investment professionals who perform thorough due diligence on every opportunity. This allows investors to participate in private markets with a level of confidence typically reserved for institutional players. One of Portfolia's notable features is its user-friendly platform, which simplifies the complex process of venture investing. The platform offers regular updates, quarterly reports, and insights from fund managers, keeping investors informed about the progress of their portfolios. It also emphasizes diversity, with many of its funds targeting underrepresented markets, such as women-led startups or companies addressing global challenges. This makes Portfolia an excellent choice for socially conscious investors who value transparency and impact. While Portfolia provides significant growth potential, it's important to note that venture investments come with higher risks and longer timelines compared to traditional investment strategies. There's no daily liquidity, as funds are typically locked in for 7 to 10 years. However, for those seeking to diversify their portfolios and support innovative businesses, Portfolia offers a rare and rewarding opportunity. In summary, Portfolia is an excellent robo-advisor for investors seeking a meaningful connection between their investments and personal values. Its focus on venture funds, transparency, and impactful investing makes it ideal for those comfortable with higher risks in exchange for potentially high returns. For more details, check out the links in the description.